Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 6th of December 2021, and I feature some of the best content made in Unity, whether that's visual effects, games, content, and everything that you can find which is absolutely awesome. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome content too. Do be sure to check out all the links in the description for my Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts and projects, all the deals on the Unity Asset Store to save this December, and so much more. So throw a like on this video and we'll get straight in. And number one is Zum with a perspective cube puzzle, which is a proof of concept which looks both trippy and really awesome. The next one is Mad Streets, and you know when the cacti always get in the way? Yeah, well. Neurobew has got a space sci-fi scene with an awesome looking particle system. LiQWYD has got interior mapping, which looks like and visualizes interiors, and I've got an asset feature which I'll put the link in, which you can see for something like this for yourself. Jordi Arbiter is showing you some of the awesome combos, effects, and all of the claws. Hatchling has got knocking the Ragdoll off the mountain, which can be hours of fun. Neurobew has got some awesome stuff yet again, with impossible geometry using Parallax Occlusion mapping. Chris_Kilabi has got the game Noble Fates, and it's a 3D kingdom management simulator with a top-down style. Sander Snake has got an audio reactive fractal in HDRP. Sedana has got a little bit overboard on the attack animation, but I guess it works. Another _Moose has got another idea of the impossible objects with this cube that you can move around on. Micromores has got an impressive demo with real-time ray tracing for their LiQWYD simulation running on a mobile GPU. TY Green has made Spider-Man using Unity. Danielsantalla has got Art Studio VR, and you can actually paint on the 3D models. The Neurobew again, seems like I can't help it, has got a shader which uses only 2 triangles to simulate the look of water tessellation. Winter is coming in voxel tactics with a new winter scene. Atsu has released his first game, Highrise Mogul, which is the skyscraper tycoon game. SpeedTutor has got a survival hockey game with crazy melee combat attacks. It's just the Neurobew show, and it's Plexus Tentacles driven by physics. Divine Studios has got the fighting on a subway train. Neurobew has got a PS1 style low poly horror experience, which looks really awesome.